Hi guys, it's Cherael again, and today we are going to be doing a pink and gold glitter ombre set using the dip powder method. So stay tuned. The products I'll be using today are Cherael Sky Seal Protect, Cherael Sky dipping powder in dark pink, this beautiful glitter, and Pro Dip clear acrylic. So I already applied my tips, and I'm not applying any bond to the nail because I applied some peel off base coat because I didn't want to leave this on for too long. But if you want to do this nail, make sure and apply bond and wait 30 seconds before applying base and dip into the clear dipping powder. So starting off with the pinky, I apply base to the whole nail and dip it into Cherael Sky dark pink. I do the same for the thumbnail. For the ring finger, I apply base to 3/4 of the nail and then I dip it into the pink dip powder. Onto the pointer finger, I apply base to 3/4 of the nail and then I dip it into the pink dip powder also. Then I repeat the same process again. If you are getting value from this video, please hit the like button down below to let me know what you think, and don't forget to subscribe to stay in the know about when I upload. If you are new to my channel, I upload content about dip powder and the various ways that dip powder could be used to achieve designs that are typically achieved using monomer and making it easy. If you are a first timer to my channel, check out what I have done so far, and thanks to all who have subscribed and stayed subscribed. So next I pick up a small bead of clay and then I dip it into the gold glitter by using Seal Protect in the same way we use monomer. Then I carefully work it around the cuticle area and then bring it up the nail to give it a gradient effect. So I make it compact towards the cuticle area and then it gets more sparse towards the end. Either way, I'm using my non-dominant hand to do this. I think I'm getting way better at this now. So once the glitter is laid, I move on to my pointer finger and do the same. I'd like to mention that this nail design is inspired by Tony's nail on Instagram. He is very talented. It's just crazy how talented he is. So I just thought I'd give one of his design a try. So for the middle finger, this is going to be a full gold glitter nail. So all I do is using my acrylic brush, I dip it into the Seal Protect and then into the clear dip powder and then into the gold glitter and apply it to the nail. Okay, so when everything is to my liking, I encapsulate the nails using clear powder. I didn't need to do the seal protect method because the glitters were already set, so I could have if I wanted to, but it wasn't necessary. So this is after I encapsulated the nails, and now I apply activator, and then I wait 5 minutes, and then I begin my filing and buffing. This is after filing and buffing, and then I apply more activator. This design is so gorgeous. I love this Cherael Sky dark pink. It's almost transparent, but then it's not. I don't know if that makes any sense. I'm bad at explaining things, so bear with me. But this combination is so nice, and I was happy I was able to achieve it using the powder method. This just goes to show that if you're not good with the monomer ratio, you can always try dip powder. Now it's top coat time. The glitter was basic gold glitter. It lacked the multi-colored undertone that most glitters have nowadays, but it worked and it looked so good. Now I add cuticle oil. And this is the finished look, guys. I hope you like. Make sure to comment and subscribe, and see you in my next one. Bye guys.